Ever wonder why some people seem to make money even while they sleep, while others grind all day just to get by? Let's break it down, the real difference between active income and passive income, and why understanding this might be the turning point in your financial life. Most people are stuck in the active income loop. You trade your time for money. You work 8 hours. You get paid for 8 hours. Miss a day? You earn nothing. It's the paycheck-to-paycheck hamster wheel, and it's exhausting. Teachers, nurses, delivery drivers, office workers, all exchanging hours for dollars. It's honest work, but it has one brutal limit: your time. Now, let's talk passive income. That's money that works even when you don't. You build the system once, and it keeps paying you long after. Think real estate, dividend stocks, online businesses, or digital products. You're not working for your money's working for you. And that's the mindset shift the wealthy figured out a long time ago. Let's make it real. Imagine Sarah, who works 9 to 5 and earns $5,000 a month active income. Her paycheck stops the moment she does. Now imagine Mike, who built an online course 2 years ago. He still earns $2,000 every month from sales, even while he's on vacation. That's passive income. Sarah earns once for her effort. Mike earns forever from his. But here's the catch. Passive income isn't truly passive in the beginning. You still need to build the system. That could mean saving up for your first rental property, learning to invest, or building a digital brand. The work up front feels hard because the rewards come later. But that's exactly why so few people do it, and why those who do never look back. Here's how you can start building passive income today. Step 1. Track your active income streams. Know where every dollar comes from. Step 2. Cut unnecessary spending and redirect those savings into assets, not liabilities. Step 3. Start small, maybe dividend ETFs, a YouTube channel, or an ebook. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to make your first dollar that doesn't depend on your time. Step 4. Automate and reinvest. Let compound growth do the heavy lifting over time. Imagine waking up and seeing money already deposited into your account, not because you worked overtime, but because you made a smart decision months or years ago. That's freedom. That's the real definition of wealth: choice over time. So stop thinking about how to work harder, start thinking about how to work smarter. Because the moment you shift from earning through effort to earning through assets, your financial life changes forever. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, drop a comment with your passive income goals, and subscribe for more mindset and money growth videos. Remember, don't just make money once, build something that pays you for life.